Okay, so I came home from work on my lunch break, saw this giant box. Now, there's my, it's a pretty big box. So, and then I figured it was either my fish from Dan or it was my bettas from KGTropicals. And much to my excitement, it was the bettas. So, let's see, it says KGTropicals right there. Let's get in now. They had to use a big box. So let's get in here and see what we got. So we got my shipping order right there with all the fishes on it. Got a little note from Lisa, which basically just says what they're eating and whatnot. So that's cool. We got some Bubbles stickers. There's a decent handful here. We will move those out of the way. My guess is this is a repurposed box. But it could not be. Who knows? It's just a large box. So it's nice thick styrofoam, so no heat's getting out of here. So we got a heat pack that is still nice and warm. But these were shipped on Monday, and these are probably 72-hour heat packs. So let's see what they. So yeah, came Wednesday, so it's still nice and warm. So we got here. We got some generally catappa leaves for the fishes. So we can add these to the tanks. Packing. And there they all are in their little knapsacks. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Let's see what we got here. So these are like little styrofoam thingies that they stick them in just for a little extra layer of protection. And it probably dims their vision enough to where they're not going to see each other through the bags. Okay, come on. Come on. It's slipping out of my hand. Come on. There we go. I hope, maybe. Alright, we had to use two hands. So, oh, this is the Galaxy male. Look at his beautiness. Look at that beauty. So they are double bagged. There appears to be a leaf in the bag, so that's good. It's a decent amount of water, about a 50-50. More water than I usually see when I get fish in. But he looks beautiful even through the stress of shipping. So I can't wait to see him in his tank. He's definitely going on the desk. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Fish number 2. See if we can get this one out one-handed. Come on. And we might be able to get it. We got this one. This is the other one I was super excited for. This is a red dragon. But he's got super duper color on him. Kind of hard to see through the bag, but got like pinks and purples and blues on his finnage. So he should look super cool. He's also going to be a desk fish, so I can see him all the time when I'm sitting down. Little top profile there. Also, this audio might sound terrible because I'm recording it on my phone. So if the audio sounds weird at some points, I'm going to probably go back and voice over it if I have to. Alright, Betta number 3. Come on. Come on. And, oh. This was a late edition. This was a last-minute edition before I placed the order. It's a gold. I think it's a gold dragon or something. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, he's a nice little fish there. A little leakage on this one too, but you know, nothing major. He's still got a decent amount of water in there. Again, there's a leaf in all the bags, it looks like, so that's neat. Give those fish a little something that they can look at while they're shipping. And I might actually save these and use them for myself. Alright, Betta number 4. Come on. Come on. Get out of the bag. There we go. Alright, this is one of the females I bought. It is a Lavender Dumbo Ear. I've got a thing for Dumbo ears lately. So she does not want to cooperate where we can get a nice picture, but this is her. See if I move my hand maybe. She's a nice purpley lavender color. I do want to breed some Bettas at some point, but I don't think I'll use her. I think I have one picked out already. Okay, Betta number 5. Alrighty. Come on. Out of the bag. Alright, this is the Lavender Dumbo Ear. Get a better grip on this one. Another Dumbo Ear. It's a little lavender guy here. I'm really liking the Dumbos. But these are super lively fish for being shipped in a box. Sometimes you get fish that look half dead, but these guys are nice and energetic. And I got a little water dripping out there. Nothing major though. Again, still about half a bag full. Alright, we got 2 more. Betta number 5. Come on. This is the mustard gas one. It's a nice deep blue color when he colors up. At least that was the picture showed. But he's another beauty. Water's decently warm. It's not super cold or anything, which is always good. Alright, we got 1 more left. Now, which one is this? Let's see, can I guess? I can't remember. All I remember is when these things went live, I was refreshing the page every like 5 minutes, just waiting. Come on. Alright, well, we need another hand. This is... I don't know which one this is. This is probably... Is it in our Lavender Dumbo Ear, maybe? Which one is it? I don't remember which one you are. You're still pretty. You're still very pretty fish. Here. It's a lavender something. I'll have to look at the shipping thing. But yeah. Super nice looking fishes. Again, if you guys want to get your own, they're on FishKeeping.com. They're going fast though, so just keep that in mind. They are show qualities, so they're not your run-of-the-mill pet store fish where you're gonna pay like $5 for them or $10 for them. They are a little high up there in price, but like just look at how nice they look. I'm willing to pay the money these things cost. Like, they're super... I've never seen anything this nice at a pet store before. Especially the this guy, the Koi Galaxy, the blue guy. I've never seen a blue Koi Galaxy at a PetSmart or a Petco before. And just look at his coloration, even through shipping. How nice it is just through shipping. I've seen regular red kois, but I've never seen blue ones or ones that are super cool looking. So we're going to get these guys all in their tanks. They've all got plants in them. I got Amazon swords and Dwarf Val in them. And then I think I got a couple other things. Some Manubius and stuff. We'll get those in their tanks. And then we'll give you guys a quick little snapshot of them when they're in their tank. just real quick before I wrap the video up, I want to give a thank you to Gon and Lisa at KGTropicals or FishKeeping.com for these wonderful fish. They are truly beautiful. Make sure you go check their website out. It's on the screen right now. And try and get one of these bettas before they're all gone. And yes, I just switched between beta and betta. It all depends on what mood I'm in and how I say it. Also, on a personal note, we're super close to 200 subs. Again, when we hit 200 subs, we're giving away a 5-gallon fish tank from PetSmart, which would be the tanks that were featured in the video today with the divider down the middle. You don't have to use the divider. You can just keep it as it is. They're good little tanks. They come with a filter and a light. Light will grow plants, you don't have to worry about that stuff. The only thing it doesn't come with is a heater. On top of that, we'll also be giving away a $25 gift card to FishKeeping.com, and I might throw in a couple smaller things. We have a bunch of winners, but yeah, just once we hit 200. So if you guys could share out the videos and like them and do all that good stuff, it would really help me out, and I appreciate it much. And as always, I'll be streaming on Fridays with Ed at about 4:15 Eastern time, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. See you later.